Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily and successfully download and install Kiwi browser on your Android phone. Yeah, on your Android phone. I believe some of us are finding it difficult to download and install Kiwi browser. You know Kiwi browser. Kiwi browser is an exceptional browser. You can install extensions like in our normal desktop or on our laptop. We can install extensions on our Chrome browser or any other browser on our laptop and desktop. But on our phone, you cannot do that. But with Kiwi browser, you can easily download and install extensions on your Kiwi browser. So that makes it very exceptional because no other browser app can do that except Kiwi browser. So what you have to do is to go to your browsers, like any of your browser, like your Opera Mini or your Chrome browser. Then you go to this website. Go to this website. Sorry. Yes, I don't want to mention it. Then you go. Now it will open. You see it has opened the site. So what you do now, you click on download now. Once you click on download now, it will, please don't mind those notifications that is popping up. Then you see, like I'm using Opera Mini to download it now. Then what you do now is to click on download. I'm not downloading it again because I already have it on my phone. So once you click on download, you start downloading. Okay. Then you will get your download results on this place. You can see here, I already have it here. So I'll click on it. Like I told you, I already have it on my phone. So that's why you are seeing updates here, okay? For the sake, let me update. If you already have it before, maybe you downloaded it somewhere else, maybe from Play Store or any other place, you can uninstall those ones so that you can get your Kiwi browser installed successfully. So I'm already out of space, but I already installed it. And now let me go and open the browser. So as you can see, I will search for it on my, let's look at it here, Kiwi browser, and I'll click on it. You can see it's welcoming me. I'll click on continue. Yeah, voila, you can see now we already have it successfully installed on our Android phone. Now you see on these three dots here, I'll click on these three dots up by your right corner. You will see the tabs. Like now you see the extension tab. You can see. So on our next video, I'm going to show you how to download some extension and install it on your Kiwi browser. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.